welcome back. For this video, I really just wanted to give you guys a room tour because this room has came a very long way from what it used to be, and this is the first room or space that I really had free reign over and got to do whatever I wanted to, and I think I did a pretty good job. Y'all have already seen bits and pieces of my room in my previous videos because I film all of my videos in here right now. In this video, I'm going to go into better detail about everything that I have in here. Pretty much everything in here came from like Target, Walmart, or Amazon. A few small decoration pieces came from Marshalls. So if I can find it, then I'll make sure that I link it in the description. I also want to start a whole like mini renovation series because I live in the basement and I pretty much have the whole basement area to myself. So I have another room right next to me that really needs some work done. I really want to build a closet in there and make it kind of like a second filming space so that I always don't have to have my bed or my clothing rack in the background. So let me know if you guys would be interested in that. I really wish that I could have made a transformation video for you guys when I was redoing this room, but I didn't have any filmed content from what the room looked like before, but I will make sure that I insert as many pictures as I can of what it looked like before. So this is what it looks like as soon as you walk down into my bedroom. The first thing that you really see is my bed. The actual bed frame is the same frame that was here when I got here. We just painted it white, and then I just have this pink velvet comforter on it. I actually got this comforter from Walmart and it was only $40. What? $40? Of course, I added a million pillows on this bed. This very back layer of pillows are just some king size pillows with some green satin pillowcases on top that I got from Amazon. These are the ones I actually sleep on because I don't wrap my hair at night. It's just super uncomfortable to me. I can't get into the whole head wrap thing. I can't. Next set of pillows are the pillow shams that came with the comforter, and then I have these like teal and white pillows that I got from Walmart. The white ones are like fluffy, and then these teal ones are kind of like a heathered teal, I guess you would say, like a heather teal. And then these might be my favorite pillows on the bed. It's these two marble pillows. I got the pillowcases and the pillow inserts from Amazon, and then I also just have this pink pillow. I wanted to have more pink on the bed because I felt like the green started to take over, so I just got this little pink pillow from Walmart. Moving on to up above my bed, I just have these cute wooden shelves. I actually found them in my mom's garage, so I don't know where they came from. I just have like cute little knickknacks on here. This was one of the things that I got from my dorm. I just have a cute little plant in this one, a plant in this one, and then I have this wooden letter on the other side that I covered with like grass stuff because I wanted it to feel like earthy in here. Right here I just have these crusty, dusty point shoes. I think these were actually the first pair of point shoes that I got. I used to dance when I was in middle school and high school, and then I did point like the last 2 years, but these shoes are dead. Like, look at how soft they are. Behind the bed, I actually put some strip lights that I got off Amazon, so as you can see, like the little purple lit up behind the bed. And y'all, I love these lights. I really wish I could remember the brand that they are. They're either Govee or Magic Cube. You can actually hook them up with your Alexa. I don't need you right now. So you can make her change the color instead of having to find the remote and stuff like that. So love those lights. Alexa, make the bed lights blue.
Okay.
Underneath the bed, I have like an 8x10 rug on the floor. The flooring down here is like a brown tile. It's very similar to like a school tile, so it's really cold, especially in the wintertime, so this rug was a must. I mean, I sleep with socks on, so it wasn't that bad, but I still wanted something to like step onto after I get out of bed. Plus, I really just like sitting on the floor sometimes, and I didn't want to sit on the hard tile, so now I can sit on a rug. On the right side of my bed is just this silver full body, full length mirror. Like, this is possibly one of my favorite parts of my room. I just really like mirrors. Maybe it's the Leo in me, but because Leo is my moon sign. In case y'all were wondering, now you know. You need a place for you to take your mirror selfies, your mirror snaps, make sure that you look bomb. Like, you just gotta see the outfit in its full effect. On the opposite side of my bed, I just have this little lamp, and then I have some coasters that I really need to get in the habit of using because my drinks have been staining everything in here. And then I have a little Alexa clock. I usually keep the sound off on this one because when they both like respond and try to do the same thing at the same time, I don't have them synced. So I just use this one as a clock. And then I have this little candle. I always have candles in my room. Usually I have coordinating scents, but this one is one of the Bed Bath & Beyond. No, psych. What is it called? Bed Bath & Body Works. It is a Bed Bath & Body Works candle, and it's the champagne toast one. It smells so good. Fun fact, I only buy candles if they match the theme and like the color scheme of my room. Then I just have this picture frame that is really hot. I have this frame that I got from Target. It's just wooden, so it kind of matches the shelves that are above my bed. The nightstand is actually a filing cabinet that I painted white and changed the knobs on. And then inside of the little shelf, I just have a basket that I put all of my magazines in. I like to read Essence, Teen Vogue, the W, and stuff like that. Now moving on to this side of the room. This is where you see me in most of my videos. This is where I film all of my try-on videos, my clothing videos, my thrift with me videos. Anything that I have to try on, I try on right here. I just have this really nice clothing rack that I got from Amazon. I think it was like $70, and it wasn't hard to build at all. It just is white, and then it has the light wooded detail that's throughout the rest of the room. Right now it's set up for a haul that I have to film for you guys, a pretty little theme haul. Underneath on the bottom of the clothing rack, I just have these boxes. Sometimes they're in the video, sometimes they're not. It really depends on if it goes like flows with the style of the video. But I usually just keep like extra props and stuff in here for when I'm filming my try on hauls. And then I'll always redecorate like the shelf space with different accessories, purses and magazines and things like that. And then on the other side, I just have this chair that I got from Walmart. And then I have a green, like hunter or emerald green throw that I got from Amazon. This is one of the spaces that I kind of want to add to. I don't really like the little picture that's above my chair right now, and I feel like it would bring more visual interest to my videos if I switched it. I was thinking about doing like a vision board, maybe using some of the magazines that I have and like putting it on a canvas and placing right there, or maybe even doing like the Vogue challenge and printing that out in a frame. I'm not really sure, but it's in between those two options. The chair came from Walmart, but the ottoman I found separately on Amazon. I don't know if y'all can tell, but they're two different colors. They're both velvet, so you know velvet kind of like is lighter in different areas and darker in others. So the stool is lighter than the chair, but it's not too much of a difference. As y'all probably noticed in the before photos, all of the wooden paneling in here used to be brown, but we primed it and painted it this very light gray just to make the room brighter, because this is a basement and it's super dark in here anyway. So that helped. And the ceilings used to be yellow, but we painted those white, and we also painted the trim white in here. Another one of my favorite things in this room, I don't know if you guys can see it in the frame, but is my chandelier. I'm gonna make sure that I insert videos of my chandelier because it is just so pretty. The only thing I don't like about it is like the spots that it creates on the wall, because when I'm filming it makes like the wall look really patchy, and I always get a lot of compliments on it. Plus I think it really adds like a girlier, more feminine element to the room, as if the super pink comforter and fluffy pillows weren't enough. We have a super shiny, sparkly silver chandelier. This side of my room is probably the side that I use the least. I don't really watch TV on my TV. I'm always watching it on my laptop, because when I'm in my bed, I don't like that I have to like either lay on my back or sit up to see the TV screen, and your girl is blind, and sometimes I don't like having on my glasses. I really cannot see when I don't have on my contacts or my glasses, and when I can have my laptop just up close to my face so I can see every detail, every pixel, I like that a lot. The lights that I have behind my TV, they are the same lights that I have behind my bed. I think I forgot to mention that they're also like sound sensitive, so if you're playing music, that they'll blink to the sound. They're both pretty much always set to the same color, which is magenta, but as y'all saw earlier, y'all can pretty much tell to change it to any color and it will. The dresser is also one of the pieces of furniture that was already in here. I just painted it white and changed the knobs to these pink and gold like marbled knobs. On top of the dresser, this side, I just have this really cute Polaroid that was taken of me and my god sisters when we went to the park. We had a little picnic at Centennial Park. Then right above that, I just have these two marble pieces. I think these were really bookends, but I ordered both of them off Amazon. They kind of like are supposed to like go together like this, and they make like a, you know, like a rock. In between the two marble pieces, I just have this marbled black A right here. And then on the other side, I just have the Alexa that I actually use to control the lights and stuff like that. And I'll play my music off of that one too. Then I have another candle, and towards the back I just have another small plant because I felt like this side of the room needed a little bit of greenery. I got that plant from either Marshall's or Ross, I'm not too sure, but it was one of the two. Then towards the middle of my dresser, I really can't even tell you why this is right here, because it's usually on my bed and I'm pretty sure that like it's almost dead, so it really needs to be on the charger. But I just have my MacBook right here. I've noticed that a lot of you guys have actually reached out to me and asked me how I edit my videos, and I do use iMovie to edit all of my videos. So if y'all want like a little tutorial on how I edit my videos, y'all let me know and I can try to make one of those for you. I really want to add a bunch of those glass music plaques on the back of this wall, like fill up the whole wall space, because I've always felt like this wall was just super bare. I already kind of measured it, it wasn't very accurate, real bootleg, but I think I'm gonna need like 50 frames to fill up this whole wall space. So I'm gonna make a video on that. I'm really gonna make a video of just me finishing this room. So I wanted to give y'all an overview and a base of what it looks like right now. This corner by the dresser and the TV, which really I probably should have done this before I showed y'all the dresser and the TV.
It is what it is.
But I just have this super tall lamp. Then under the lamp, I just keep this white basket full of extra blankets. The winter, it gets really cold down here, so I just have these in case someone comes over, so they don't have to use like my decorative blankets if they're cold. And then y'all can see a little peek of the white curtains that I have over the window in my room. The window basically takes up the whole wall on this side, so it's nothing really over here besides the window and these white curtains. I got the white curtains off of Amazon. That's pretty much everything that I have in my room. My room isn't too big or super extravagant, so Hopefully I don't make this video super long because there's no need. I hope you guys enjoyed this room tour, and I hope you're inspired to redecorate or renovate. If you aren't subscribed already, make sure that you subscribe and turn on those post notifications, because I do post a new video every single Sunday and Thursday. With all that being said, I hope that I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Alexa, go crazy.
Go Crazy by Chris Brown and Young Thug from Apple Music.